Stop studying. Seriously, you're wasting your time. If you're studying the way most students do, you're flushing 80% of your effort straight down the memory drain. You cram all night, you highlight everything, you reread your notes a dozen times, and then, blank, exam hits, and your brain ghosts you harder than your last situationship. Studying like this is like trying to fill a bucket, full of holes. No matter how much effort you pour in, most of it just leaks out, but today, you're patching those holes permanently. Alright, let's talk about the study mistakes that are wrecking your brain. First up, highlighting and rereading. Highlighting, rereading, total frauds. Feels productive? Sure, but science says you'll forget 90% of it by next week. Your brain recognizes words, but recognition isn't understanding. Watching the same movie doesn't make you a director. Reading the same text doesn't make you smart. Next, cramming last minute. Cramming is like binge eating before a marathon. You might survive the test, but you'll forget it all faster than TikTok trends. Your brain knows you don't mean it, so it trashes the info like spam mail. And then, passive learning. You wouldn't read about swimming and expect to float, right? So why do we read, watch, and listen, but never practice what we learn? Passive equals forgettable. Active equals unforgettable. Now, here's the right way to actually study. First, reframe it. Studying isn't about time, it's about retention. Some grind for 3 hours and forget everything, others study for 45 minutes and remember it for life. Here's how. Step 1. Active recall. Use the Feynman Technique. If you can't explain it simply, you don't get it. Teach it, test it, quiz yourself. Flashcards, past papers. Your brain needs the reps, not reruns. Step 2. Spaced repetition. Forget 50% in an hour, that's the forgetting curve. Beat it with spaced repetition. Day 1, learn it. Day 3, quick review. Day 7, quiz yourself. Boom, memory lock. Step 3, make studying a habit. No more procrastination. Hack 1, the 2-minute rule. Just do 1 flashcard. Hack 2, habit stacking. Link studying to habits you already have. Hack 3, use the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes focus, 5-minute break. Repeat, done. Here's the harsh truth. Even the best study strategy is useless if you only do it once. Top students, they don't study harder, they study better, consistently. Small daily efforts destroy last-minute panic, every single time. So, are you gonna keep highlighting your way into mediocrity, or are you finally gonna study smart? Hit like if you're done wasting time. Subscribe for more brain-boosting content, and hey, go crush it.